So you just want me to jump into some stuff?
Sure.
That we are showing at FETC 2018. This is our new Mimio Frame. So basically, if you look right around here, this is the interactive frame. So what we have mounted on the wall is just a plain old dry erase board. There's nothing happening at all with this dry erase board. It's just a completely dumb board. And then the Mimio frame comes in 4 sections. So this is the short section, and then it comes with 2 long sections and another short. You snap these 4 pieces together. You then attach it to any regular old dry erase board, and you can attach it with double-sided tape. You can use magnetic tape, or you can use Velcro if you chose to. Stick it up to a regular dry erase board, and you now have
and that was like at 3 o'clock.
full interactive touch capability. It's really fast. It uses a USB cable to go back to the computer. You can run it USB over Cat 5, Cat 6 if you want to, but it is all multi-touch, and it's a great product.